Hi guys, so what is a computable contract and how does it differ from a smart contract? So the long and short of it is that a computable contract is essentially a contract in the traditional sense, which is converted into a data form that a computer can recognize. So when we say that, what we mean is that instead of taking a traditional contract like this and inputting it into the computer, if you put it into something like Word, what you're essentially just doing is just putting a hard copy document into a soft copy form. But when we say smart contracts and computable contracts, we mean programming a computer contract using, say, Prolog or Solidity to either draft a contract or to check for its validity. So in general sense, computable contract is talking about that in general, taking basically the traditional contracts and generating it into a language that the computer can understand, right? Because the computer doesn't understand legal concepts. Now, when we talk about smart contracts and how those differ to computable contracts, the general term, smart contracts are self-executing. So other computable contracts are not self-executing. Smart contracts, say the ones you draft and you put onto the Ethereum blockchain, those will self-execute, whereas other computable contracts will not self-execute. So an example of a smart contract would be, let me just show you the one I've just drafted. Here we go. So it's titled My Own. Let me just show you. It's titled My Own Cryptocurrency because I've just coded this smart contract. I'm trying to create my own crypto of some sort. So this is an example of what a smart contract would be. You would draft it in the Virtual Studio Code, and then you would put it onto the Ethereum blockchain, and then the Ethereum blockchain would execute it. So when you talk about smart contracts and when you look at the definition on the exercise books or the textbooks for coding in Ethereum and blockchain, what it defines smart contract is basically a collection of code. That's what they define a smart contract is. It's a collection of code, functions, and data, and then that is the smart contract, and then it will execute by itself. And so computable contracts would be that same data and functions collection of code, but it wouldn't be self executing like a smart contract would. I hope that helps, guys.